If you are creating good content but no one is watching it, then you should know how to build a YouTube audience and more loyal followers. In this video, I'll be talking about how to build an engaged audience to grow your channel and get more views and subscribers. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Let's see what's coming now. 1. Present clearly your video content. Always respect your audience's time and be specific with your content. This will help them to subscribe to your channel and watch more of your videos. Write a good description of what your video is about. Choose a professionally created thumbnail to clarify your message. Let your viewers know the main points that you will discuss in the video in the first 10 to 15 seconds. Measure your content quality and response. Do you create content that people want to watch? Do you create engaging content that people want to share and interact with? Make use of the YouTube analytics reports to know what's working with your audience. Check what are your best titles and thumbnails that have the highest click-through rates, CTR percent. How long you keep the viewers watching your videos or the average view duration. Do you have specific time frames or certain days of week where a lot of people are watching your videos? You can also have a look at what other creators are doing and definitely you will get some helpful hints. 3. Make the best use of YouTube SEO. Don't use broad search terms such as social media or Facebook ads. Use long-tail keywords, and the more specific keywords you use, the more your content will be searchable. You will be successful on YouTube when people are able to find your videos on Google and YouTube search results. Always provide value to your audiences, offer them solutions, and answer their questions. They will come back to watch all your videos, and they most likely will subscribe to your channel and share your content with their friends. This will make your videos more searchable. 4. Cooperate with other YouTubers. Combine your knowledge and expertise with other content creators in the same field or niche to promote your videos and gain access to various YouTube audience demographics. Both you and the collaborating channel can achieve more niche visibility and attract new subscribers. 5. Use influential call to actions. Using the right call to actions will help your audiences to know what action to take next. That's why it's crucial to include different types of call to actions inside your videos to help you to build your audiences. Examples of good CTAs are asking them to leave comments on your videos, subscribe to your channel, or watch more of your content on the channel. You can do this by using links in the description or cards in the video. Whether you've had your channel for a while or just began, it can be a bit daunting to try to be recognized on YouTube. But you have to adhere to it. Persistence will play a major role if you want to really find out how to build a YouTube audience. Don't worry if you need to establish a routine for a few months. It takes time to determine how many videos you can consistently create. Remember to track the whole process of creation and production. It includes how long you need to find ideas and keywords, write a script, find the right images, video editing, and upload. Creating YouTube videos is crucial for your efforts to market your content. It goes beyond posting videos to build a thriving YouTube audience. I hope these tips are helpful as you build your own personal brand and grow your online video presence. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let's know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.